Hi everyone, I'm Brad with Campbell Window Film, and today I'd like to cover the 5 most important things you would need to know about exterior window film. Now I'd like to make a distinction between interior and exterior window film. These are 2 completely different technologies. Interior window film is most common, and that's what your installer will put on the inside surface of the glass, as the name implies. Exterior window films are exposed to the elements, so they're manufactured completely differently, and it's important that you understand at least the basics. And so I'm going to cover those in today's episode of 2 Minutes on Film. I'll start the 2-minute countdown clock right now. These are the 5 most important things you need to know about exterior window films. Number 1 is accessibility. Exterior window films play an important role in the window film industry because they enable the installation crews to access the glass where it may otherwise be infeasible to do so. For example, in a shopping center, on the skylights, or in a hotel lobby, especially on skylights where we would normally have to erect very large, expensive scaffolding system or use boom lifts. Exterior window films can be installed on the glass by easily accessing the outside surface of the glass. Number 2 is aesthetics. A lot of older buildings may have glass that is outdated by today's standards in terms of its appearance, or it may have spandrel glass that's failing, and you can't access the inside of a lot of spandrel glass because there's drywall or support beams or other things that are behind that, so we can't get to the inside to repair a failing spandrel window. Exterior window films are excellent at covering up outdated glass or failing glass that cannot be accessed from the inside of the building. Number 3 is facade renovation. Exterior window films have enabled companies like mine to take a brand new approach to completely redesigning the exterior facade of the building. You do not need to replace your glass to get a brand new, fresh look for your building. We call it re-imaging or building wraps. Number 4 is longevity. Exterior window film technology has made huge leaps forward in terms of color stability and overall longevity. However, beware of a lot of manufacturers that are rushing into the market and offering films that will not last. So it's very important to choose the right window film manufacturer and also the right window film installation company. Together you can get a great result. Number 5 is performance. Exterior window films dramatically reduce the absorption. They also reduce the transmittance of the sun's heat, and the net result is a very high performance window film and a very significant increase in tenant comfort and reduction in energy use. These are the 5 basic things you need to know about exterior window film, but you may still have many questions. Feel free to ask in the comments below or simply contact my company. I'll leave our phone number in the description. I'll also leave a few links to some case studies so you can check out some of the work on buildings here in Southern California. I'm Brad Campbell. Thanks so much for tuning in to today's episode of 2 Minutes on Film. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and of course, comments are welcome. See you next time.